good morning and welcome sa ating panibagong video. Madlang guys.
Ready?
Are you ready?
No.
So for today's video, we're going to Cameron's dentist because
I'm gonna get braces to fix my teeth.
yeah. So road to
braces.
Road to braces. Road to Bakuran, guys. So he gonna get a braces because well, yung first plan talaga is he wants to get veneers, but then yung advice
You know, my teeth is cracked.
Crack yung teeth niya, and then at the same time hindi.
And these two are not straight.
Yeah, pero the rest ng teeth niya is straight. Yung sa gilid lang ba na dalawa na parang nagtabingi siya. And then at the same time, he is deep bite. And last time, sa dentist ko, binigyan siya ng ng, what is called that? Yung parang pang-align.
TMJ?
Pang-align ng teeth ba? Kaso hindi niya nasuot yun. 10,000 pa naman yung bayad namin doon. Pero ngayon, this is it now. Wala na siyang choice na tanggalin. Kasi yun, may option siya na tanggalin. Kaya hindi continuous yung paggamit niya ba. And ngayon, ito na. Sabi namin, mas mabuti ng braces para at least wala siyang excuse na tanggalin iyon. And yeah, let's do this. And let's go. Samahan nyo kami sa glow up ni Daddy Boo, mga Mars.
It's not glow up because I don't like braces.
Magpapag-glow up, yeah. Road to glow up. After braces,
they said 1 year, hopefully.
Yeah, 1 year na braces.
Because in UK, no one wants braces. So,
maghatid tayo muna ng guys, ng laundry. And diretso na tayo sa my dentist. Mga 2 minutes drive lang naman. Go straight lang naman. Simula dito sa amin. Straight lang yung road. Yun na yung dentist. Bago yun eh. Bagong bukas sila. And malapit lang. Yun na lang, doon na lang kami pumunta kasi nag-inquire lang kami last time and mas malapit lang. Yun na lang yung pinili ni Cameron kasi mas malapit siya sa amin. And see you na lang doon sa dentist, mga Mars. Bye! So dito na kami guys. Sobrang lapit lang. Yan. So let's go guys. Dito tayo sa Habili ako. Habili ba? Dental Center.
I hope it doesn't look sharper.
Huh?
I hope it doesn't look bad.
It will be alright. Dito na kami guys. Ayan. So ganito yung dental nila. Dental clinic. O diba? Chill lang. Sobrang laki. Ayan. Sobrang laki dito guys. As in. Tapos may pa-free pa silang candy. O. Ayan. So hindi ka mag-board kapag nag-antay ka. Tignan nyo guys yung difference. Si Cameron, si Mr. is abot niya. Abot niya hanggang dyan, no? Kapag nag-sit ako all the way in. Ayan, hindi ko na maabot. Hindi ko na ma-bend yung ko. Konti na lang natira sa legs ko, guys. Tapos may pa-free tubig sila. O, diba? Waiting na lang kami. Dito kami kay Dr. Mark Cameron J. Alcom. O diba? Magkasing pangalan pa sila ni Cameron. They have free coffee, my love. Tapos, if you wanna coffee, may free silang coffee dito, guys. So, tea and coffee. Wow!
What color is it? Can you see yours? There's soft tissue in top. It doesn't bother me also. Clean your tooth first, take an impression, take photos. We'll do cleaning first.
And while at face value, these may seem like letters, they represent something bigger. They're a commitment. That means the products used in your treatment.
And we begin with brushing. Sometimes with a manual brush, it can be hard to get all of the parts of your mouth where food can get.
Your problem was deep bite. Are usually in attrition broken down because the front tooth is in contact first. So what we'll do is to correct your bite, have increased the bite, later on we'll contact the back tooth so that your front tooth are not in contact anymore, so that it won't grind down. Because when you're grinding, it will break down easily. It's called attrition. So later on we'll be using.
Patingin nga ng versus reveal. Can you do versus reveal, please? Let me see your teeth. It looks white now.
Yeah, because this is fake, isn't it?
He also put no here also.
Yeah. That's my deepest bite now.
Why? He put something inside? Why? Let me see. Oh yeah.
So I can't bite all the way. Because otherwise, when I'm biting before, I'm hitting the
Grinding your
metal. No, I'm hitting the metal thing.
Oh really?
Before he put that, when I bite, it hits the metal.
What color is yours, man? Let me see.
I think.
Oh, you don't have a.
Yeah, I don't have a color.
It's like.
I don't have rubber band.
Ah, you don't have.
You know, like yours. It's not needed. That's what he said.
Let me see. Couple goals.
This one gonna be straight. It doesn't even hurt, but it feels like I can't talk.
Let me see. Sabi niya. And guys, oh, may free pa siyang toothbrush. Sana all. Electric toothbrush.
25,000. This is the one I have. This is the one.
How does it feel like? Do you have any? Do you feel any pain right now?
No.
Later you will.
How do you know? Hopefully 1 year and then my teeth will be straight.
See, if you already done that last time, it's already been straight right now.
Well, this one we done yours first, and now yours are finished. This is my turn. Yours is done now, right? You see? But mine seems like.
Yung sa akin guys, tapos na to sa taas. Na-delay lang kasi dito sa baba. So ngayon guys, dahil hindi pa kami nakapag-breakfast and lunch and alauna na, punta kami ng Chowking, mag-order kami ng aming kakainin. I-take out lang namin kasi for sure madaming tao. So let's go! Just be careful eating, no? Hi guys, ito na kami sa Main. Instead sa Chowking kami pupunta kanina, hindi na lang kasi sobrang daming, a lot of, people there and wala nang space yung parking area nila. Kaya dito lang kami namiretso sa Rob and bumili sa my Jollibee. Kaya let's go home guys. Piri-piri. Betul? Tagabi? Naman. Grabe na agad ang smile ah. Hello. Gani, paano mo itang mag-video? Si irat-irat man magsali-sali. Hello. Guys, naglilinis ako ngayon sa kusina. Nagliligpit-ligpit lang naman ng very, very light. Kasi nga, madumi na. And lately, sobrang busy. Kaya, sobrang kalat dito, guys. Ilang beses na ako nagplanong maglinis pero hindi natutuloy-tuloy kasi nga sobrang busy. Malabi send the drops in Timo ha after or if when you can. Gamay lang nga, bunta lagi. Guys, ito yung pot ko na sinasaingan ko. May nagsabi na i-dispose ko na daw kasi sobrang ano na daw. Tsaka na daw. Hindi ko lang kasi nahugasan yun ng maayos last time kasi nagmamadali na ako magsaing. Pero ganito yung itsura niya. Sa ibaba, okay pa naman. Hindi pa naman mas super maitim. Mahirap na siya tanggalin eh. Oh, ayaw na niya matanggal. And then, ayun. Kahit kung sa tingin nyo, pang-dispose na yung itsura na ito. Hindi ko pa din to i-dispose kasi nga sayang. Hanggat magamit pa, gagamitin ko to. Kaya, yan. Guys, update is Cameron's second day. First day.
Second day.
Second day having a braces. Ano na na-feel mo? What do you feel?
Yesterday it doesn't hurt, but today it hurts.
Let me
Especially
see the,
after eating.
Let me see the update.
No, it's just food, man.
Parang ano siya, parang depressed siya. You look like depressed.
Huh?
You look really depressed.
You can't eat that well. It's not that bad. It's just annoying.
Panay yung tanong, you keep asking me, how many days, how it hurts. Tapos guys, alam niyo ba, kahapon, nagre-reklamo siya, he's been complaining that, why I don't feel anything, why I don't, maybe it doesn't work. Ngayon, panay reklamo na niya. Now, he keep complaining that it hurts.
Only after eating.
Yeah, see?
It's like really sensitive now.
Let me see. So, ayun lang guys, yung update sa ngipin ni Cameron. And pang second day na niya ngayon. Kaya, i-end na namin tong video na ito. Maraming salamat. In-update ko lang kayo kung kamusta na nga pa sa second day. That's it for today's video muna. Maraming salamat and God bless.